Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys something absolutely amazing. Now, you guys see my money, infinite, right? Let's reborn real quick. Boom. Load in my first layout. Let's withdraw it because why not? And guys, I just loaded in my infinite setup, guys. I just loaded it in. Trust me. Oh. Guys, this is my infinite setup. Now you guys are probably so confused right now, and I'll explain it. I'll explain it in a second. First, let's actually wait until we get enough money. No, I've gotten cent off of this setup. I've gotten infinite. It ranges kind of, so we'll see what we get. Hopefully, at least centillion. I think we will. I haven't tested it that much, but I really wanted to record on it because this just looks hilarious. So, there we go. QNOTGNTL. And we keep waiting. No, 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 no. There we go, guys. We just got infinite money. Reborn, and it's under 2 minutes. Now, guys, let's talk about this because this honestly cracks me up. Let me disable my mines. Alright, so this is heavily inspired by my Reborn setup, the Starless video. It's the video right before this one. It's heavily inspired by it. I've done kind of the same trick with the Havium mine, going into the Helium Blaster and the Ore Replicator. That's kind of how I started. And the ores, first, they start out right here. Now, oh my gosh. They go in the Circus Cannon. They go through the Empyrean Monument and 2 Sarbombas, or Memur, because why not, and do a teleporter with the bunnies around it. So then, what color is that teleporter? Because this, I can't even remember this setup sometimes. Orange. So, orange one is right here. Goes through the atmospheric steamwork, and it goes through all of my upgraders until the end down here. Then it goes into a pink teleporter, and the pink teleporter is somewhere down here, right? It shoots all the way through, then it goes through the nether line and shoots all the way through. One downside of this is I can't put coal in here, because it's being obstructed by the platform, and I want it to be as tight as possible. And yeah, guys, like literally the entire setup is about the length of a mega platform. It's just like a skyscraper though. One thing that I did want to try to make a little bit more compact, which I wasn't really able to, was this platform right here, because I need a platform since the void drive is here. What I tried to do was use a small platform, like stack 2 from the bottom, but you don't have room there, so you have to have a platform like here, which does stick out a lot. But yeah, that's my setup, guys. Now this honestly is so cool. Then it goes through the resetters up here. I use the platform trick. I actually invented this trick right here. Goes through the replicators, and then it shoots all the way down here, into here, into my void drive line. Now, if you guys have seen last video, you know that you can put big bad blasters with Midas blasters behind them. Now, I believe this is definitely the total amount of Midas blasters you can use. You can use a total of 16. If you use any more, you're not gonna have any room. But yeah, guys, that is the world's most compact infinite fastest infinite setup, possibly. I don't know about fastest, but I definitely feel like I could take the title of the most compact right here. This is absolutely nuts. But I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server, link in the description below, along with my fan groups and fan shirts. They're amazing. Hope you guys did enjoy. That is everything. Peace.